Hello and welcome to the recipe bucket. Today we are going to prepare Chenchada recipe. If you're confused about the pronunciation or how it's called Chenchada. Chenchada. Okay. Now Chenchada is a very popular recipe in the Odia household, and it's mostly prepared from fish fry and cabbage masala. So let's start. I have taken a piece of fish head which is cut into 4 pieces, and I have taken 3 to 4 pieces of fish belly which are cut into medium pieces. Fish belly has less bones and is perfect for this recipe. To this I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of turmeric. Now we will mix it all properly and then we will stir fry the fish. Heat a karai and add 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Add the fish pieces and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip the pieces after every minute. This will help cook the fish evenly. After frying for about 4 minutes, break the head piece into smaller pieces. Now that the fish is fried, we will take it from the karai and put it in a plate. Heat the same karai and add 2 tablespoons mustard oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 green chilies slit along the length, 1 medium-sized onion cut into small pieces. Stir fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light brown. Now that the onions are fried, let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well with the onions and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Remember to mix after every minute. Now add tomato. I have used 1 medium-sized tomato and cut it into small pieces. Mix it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the tomato softens. The tomato is now blended properly and become mushy. Let's add half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix all the ingredients. You can tell by the color of the masala that it's done, and what a delicious aroma it has. My mouth is already watering, so let's get going fast. Add 2 bowls of finely chopped cabbage and mix it with the masala. Now cover the kadai and let the cabbage cook for 10 minutes. After every 3 to 4 minutes, mix the cabbage again and cover the kadai. You will see that the cabbage is cooked. Now we will add the fish pieces. Break the belly pieces before adding them to the cabbage. Now mix all ingredients and cover the kadai for 2 to 3 minutes. This will infuse the aroma of the fish into the cabbage masala. Finally, add a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Chenchada recipe is now ready to be served. If you like this video, hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.